Good evening, channel. Welcome to the car park. This is pre-meet, so this is what are we, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
This is our first JDM Street Crew meet back in 4 months, so quite a bit of time. Should be a very cool turnout. We're gonna have a whole bunch of cool cars. Aha, little miss. This is Angelique. Right on cue. Hey, Mr. Himmy. Anywhere you want, Himmy. Yeah. I like it.
How far can I go back before I take my rib bar?
You got about 2 meters, but you.
Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Another foot. Yeah, that's good enough. Viper. This is Himmy's latest. You guys might remember Himmy from the GTR Collector series. I have not seen this in person yet. Himmy, it looks beautiful. I like it. Living all our childhood dreams here.
Yeah, I'm living my childhood dreams, mate.
How's it going?
Oh, it's so good. We'll go for a strap later.
Okay, done.
That's the coolest, man. It's just something I wanted to make.
Bro, it has a longer bonnet than my Z. That's massive.
It's like, you sit there and there's 3.5 meters in front of you.
Yeah.
But like, when you get up it, it's so easy to control. You just put your foot down in first gear, second gear, you just spin the entire 2 gears. And then I did it and I got out the other day and I was like, I just ripped up like Pilot Sport Forest.
Oh, your tires.
This is a good spot, like.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? Should be good lighting, new car park. Good evening.
What's going on?
Want to say hi to the vlog? Say hello, YouTubes.
How you going?
Hi.
They're here to see skids, Loki. What are you doing?
Oh man, I hid my car. You don't want to see what I came in tonight.
What did you come?
Nope, I'm not mentioning it.
That?
No.
Oh, no, that's...
It's probably even worse than that.
Is it in the car park?
No, it's not.
Oh.
What does this guy got on his wing?
What is that? Why is the cable tied on? I found it on a swing, I was like, it's a bit of issue.
I don't know. Don't ask. Oh, that's a nice purple. It's beautiful. These guys.
I've got, at the front next thing, I've got
Good evening. How are you guys? It's running again. Yo.
Running as well.
Hey, running is better than not running.
Yeah, look, I'm glad that it's rolling. We'll put it that way. Yeah, no, I just touched your video.
But I'm going to show you it again. Because it is the favourite lately. Isn't it, Michael? Oh, you're hilarious, bro. I saw you a minute ago, you didn't have a face mask on. Next minute you turn around, you got like watermelon. Wait, what is it?
It's the Tatsujin, Tako no Tatsujin, the drumming game.
Oh, I love that game. It's pretty much like DDR for drum players.
Oh yeah, you noticed the mask? How cool.
Yeah.
That was the first thing I said. I was like, yeah.
So last time I was hanging out with Himmy, I bought him some beetroot crackers. It was hilarious because he's like, what the hell is this? So this time, I brought him some melon ramen with a green tea rice cake, which is probably going to trip him out. Let's go give them to him and see what he does. Come here. I brought you gifts.
What is this?
Well, you know me, I always get to
it's
eat
not
weird
alcohol,
stuff.
is it?
No, it's not alcohol.
Oh, it's one of those pop-top ones.
It's ramen.
Melon flavour.
Mmm.
Okay.
Alright, Z, you gotta do it again.
What am I doing? The anime girl.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, then back it up with the second half.
When I was just like, order!
Shit.
Yes.
I like how you just, yeah, you had to squat for that one. You're like, whoo.
Gotta put your whole fucking
Oh my god. I love 180s. I love 86s. Harrison! Hello! That was really quick. Yo!
Oh, I need to walk back. I didn't know.
It's more of a joke. I got built as a joke.
Is this like your daily or something?
Yeah. No, I bet you can't run the turns with me for sure.
That's Mr. Dean!
We made it to one of your events.
Hey, bro! Yeah? I'll wait till you park. Hey!
Long time no see.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah. It's only a vlogs. Look up the rally vlogs. Dean was my DSU, drift support unit. And good friend of mine.
Get a tea bucket up for the next show.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, happily put out 300. Yeah, that's the way. I reckon you're on the right.
Why did I think I heard a lock diff then? Hello.
But, like, I saw the J too. You had a J? I had a J. I told it to a talkie though. They're really nice about it, so I was like, yeah. You wanted a bomb.
Alright, you gotta tell me the story behind these.
Yeah.
What's with your horns?
I just got them on Gumtree. The
What are they for?
front of that car.
Oh, okay, cool. So you're like putting them on the bull bar?
Oh, that's the plan. That's, yeah, on the Mercedes. Yeah, that's the plan. So
Oh, really?
mount them up there. Yeah.
That would look very Americanized. Oh, damn.
Doesn't realize you're recording.
Very cool, man. I know nothing about this thing.
Yeah, it's just
You don't see them very often.
no, you don't. You used to see them a bit more often, but
The 1988 QR code. What is it? Do we have any experts in chat? Let us know. It's very cool. Front main seal? Ugh, you guys know Jeff. Well, maybe you don't, but... This is not a GS300, it's an Aristo. I get in trouble for calling it a GS300.
It's the fast GS300.
Yeah, so for us non-Toyota plebs, tell us the difference.
Factory 2JZ GT VVTi. It's got rear steer, a cloth interior, but you can option them with all the GS stuff. But this one's like bare bones, TRD kit, that's really about it. Still come with open centre. So this has got a locker in it. Pretty wild with a peg legger in it.
What is it making at the moment?
It's got to be like high 300s
Okay.
to the wheel. Beaten several cars that are making that, so
I hate asking that question, but the internet loves that question.
yeah, I've already gone and got manifold and going to do turbo and big single on it and stuff, so that's the next step. It's got a big fuel pump in it and stuff already, so
Nice.
everything's there.
That is really cool. No way. Can you guys see that? What is it? New Mobile Super Drop. The original oil catalog, maybe? Very cool. I like the Civics. Dun 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 dun. You guys having fun? The one time police no, I'm kidding, not the one time, but police are looking for a missing person and they're flying over the car meet. He's at work at the moment. We're having really good luck with police tonight. They're actually looking for a little 10-year-old girl, but they're coming through just asking for information on the girl. And it's funny because all the car people are like, "Oh God, they're here for us. They're gonna get us." But they're not, for once. They're nice cops. How cool is that? Alright, we're gonna go for a joyride with Himmy. How do I open these doors? What? You always buy the doors with the weird door handles, bro. Oh God, small,
Did you
tiny.
spit your hand?
Yes. Alright. This is a childhood dream.
Yo! Oh no! Indian, this is those Indian genetics, mate. But,
Oh man, they're so 90s. I love it.
so 90s, man.
Ah!
OG. But
That's
even though
so
this
cool.
is a 2009 model,
What?
yeah. It got me too. I was like, man, it's old school.
Oh, it's manual. I've never been down here, so I don't know if it's a dead end or whatnot. Goodbye, keys. They went to the Never Never Land. Jesus, it picks up quick. They're so comfy.
Super comfy, eh? Oh, look at that. We even got our very own little roundabout. Now, I ain't no drifter, okay?
Yeah.
So don't expect much out of me.
Hey, just come to Archie, I'll teach you. In the Dodge.
This thing, like, it's so easy to control, like, you know, it's, even when you sort of get up in it first and second, it doesn't like break the arse loose, like it'll just sit and spin.
Oh, it feels planted.
It's very much, because it runs double wishbones everywhere as well.
How heavy are these things for factor? Like 2 ton?
Nah.
Less?
1700s?
Okay.
No, not even that. I think they're much less, because
Yeah, that's not bad.
like 1600, I think.
Okay.
But yeah, 600,
It's like GT
600
cars.
horsepower and 700 newton meters.
Damn. Damn. They pick up so quick and they brake so well.
Yeah. So this has got the, from the factory, this has got the wheels and the brakes off the ACR, so the club racer.
Yep.
So it's pretty, yeah, it goes good. Because the factory rims on these are like a big chromie.
Yep.
So I was kind of glad. Not that I had much choice. There's like the only one in the country.
I love the bonnet shapes of them.
It's good, hey?
Yeah.
And they run quite hot, so they got to put big vents in them.
Yep.
But when you're driving for a long time though, because the exhausts are down near your legs, it gets so hot in here. The Gen 5 intake manifold, because it's CNC machined, it flows better as well. So just a few basic things, and I think they pick up like nearly 100 horsepower just doing that.
Damn.
Because it's 8.4 litre.
That's so cool, man.
8.4 litre V10.
You're living everyone's childhood dream right now.
Need for Speed, man. When I was playing, I was like, I gotta get a Viper. So now I have a Viper. So next on the list, I don't know yet.
Dude, this is like tick off my bucket list. I've never been in a Viper before. This is amazing. This is my childhood dream car. I used to love the SRT 10s before I realized that 180SX existed.
Oh yeah.
How was your little mochi and your ramen?
Boy, it took me 10 minutes to open that bottle, man. I was like, what the hell is, like, I was sitting there, I said to Joel, I was like, oh, I bet she's filming me, watching me trying to open this fucking bottle.
I'm just hiding behind a pole somewhere, just sort of filming him with
It
the
took
bottle.
3 of us to work it out, and then eventually we had to look at the instructions, which was quite sad. And then it still took another couple of minutes after that, but we got there. They have like a progressive steering rack, so when you put your foot on the accelerator, it tightens right up,
Oh wow.
and it's quite nice. It feels a bit loose at the moment, but you put your foot on the accelerator, it just sort of digs in and goes around the corner.
Goes from GT car to race
Yeah, it's
car.
a real surreal sort of feeling.
That is cool.
Because these things held the Nürburgring lap record production car for years.
Okay.
The ACRs.
I love those dashes. Okay, we'll throw the sound in for this one. That's so good, man. Enjoy. Have a good one. Goodbye, little car. It's so old school, I love it.
I've never had this thing full throttle because it just bogs down and backfires bad.
Yeah,
Like it scares the shit.
I hope you get it sorted.
Yeah, hopefully.
How cool is this? It's beautiful. Do you want to add anything to the YouTubes? Yes. Look, I'm having fun lately putting people on the spot because they're either good and they'll say something hilarious, or they just freeze up and they're like, I don't know what to do. What do I say? Smile and wave, boys. Come in. Come in, the hitters.
Is everyone coming in?
Come in. Come on. Crowd. Dan, get in here.
Oh, come.
God, where's Michael? There he is. Say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye, Michael.
See you guys next time.